Looking for the perfect indoor playground na safe, social at super saya for the kids? I got you. Hi mga ka-travels, today nandito tayo sa Play at Okada, Manila, isa sa pinakabonggang indoor playground dito sa Entertainment City. Grabe guys, pagpasok mo pa lang mapapawaw ka na. Super laki ng space, super colorful, sobrang linis and very safe talaga for the kids. Air conditioned pa so hindi pawis sa mga bagets habang naglalaro. This multifunctional space feature 8 purpose built play areas na design talaga to support kids development. Number 1 ang Wizards Den, vibrant ball pit area na favorite ng mga kids. Number 2 mini step and mini me, perfect space for 0 to 3 years old. Safe and soft play area para sa mga babies. Number 3 ang Little Town, miniature community with a supermarket, bank, school, and house. Dito pwede mag-roleplay ang mga kids and boost their imagination. Number 4 ang Little Park, playground and maze kung saan pwede mag-explore ang mga toddler and burn their energy. Number 5 ang Sports Zone, shooting ball area for both adults and kids. Perfect bonding activity talaga. Number 6 ang Janguru, mas challenging playground and maze for kids over 110 cm. Number 7 ang The Stage, dito pwede mag-perform ang mga kids, singing, dancing, acting, even public speaking. Confidence booster talaga. Number 8 ang My Party Place, events and gaming space na perfect for birthday parties. May activities like coloring and writing, plus may pa-pre-juice pa after. And guys, plus points talaga sa spacious and clean locker rooms. May CR na rin sa loob for both kids and adults. Super convenient. Now take note mga mommies and daddies ha, operating hours Monday to Thursday 12:30 PM hanggang 7:30 PM. Friday to Sunday 10 AM hanggang 10 PM. Mas mahaba ang playtime hours pag weekend. So perfect for family day. Walk-in rates para sa children 1 to 17 years old. Weekdays is 599 pesos. Weekends naman is 699 pesos. Good for 2 hours play. Para naman sa guardian 18 years old and above, 299 pesos for both weekdays and weekends. Pero wait, mas makakatipid kayo kung magbubook kayo sa Klook. Klook rates for 2 hours play para sa adult or guardian 288 pesos. Para naman sa children 588 pesos. And gamitin nyo pa ang code ko na KlookChef Family to get 5% off. Savings is savings din, especially pag family kayong pupunta. After playtime, don't worry. Pwede kayo mag-stroll around Okada, Manila for free. Maraming restaurants inside na pagpipilian. So pwede na rin kayo mag-dinner date or family meal. And pagdating ng 7 PM, don't miss the dancing fountain show at the fountain area. Free lang siyang panoorin and world class talaga ang performance. Ibang level yung experience, super sulit. So if you're planning a family day, birthday treat, or simpleng reward sa kids, this is super worth it. Clean, safe, air-conditioned, and inside one of the most luxurious hotel in Manila, ang Okada Manila. Thank you for watching. Please follow us for more gala tips. Bye!